Okay, gears coming up. Here we go.
We're flying. All right, well, now that we're up in the air, Bert, I'd like to put on this blindfold.
Sure. Okay.
Want me to put it on you? I haven't sized this to your head.
Oh my God, that's okay.
You can't see anything? All right, well, today we're looking at the importance of vision while landing an airplane.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Ah!
What happened? We
hit a bunch of birds is what it looks like.
Uh-oh, having some trouble with the engines.
What? Oh, Bert.
I can't see a thing.
Wait. We crashed.
We crashed.
So what do you think went wrong?
I couldn't see.
That's actually why I'm here today, Bert, to talk about vision. Vision is a huge part of our reactive capabilities. The same can be said for a network. You can't protect yourself from things you can't see, and analytics are the vision that secure your network. That's why I'm here to talk today with Simone.
Great to see you, Mike.
Thanks for meeting me in the middle of an airfield. Everyone talks about vision and analytics, but I want to know how Cisco's analytics are different.
We have just launched the new network, which is going to change the way we look at IT operations, and analytics is a big piece of that. Classical analytics tools, they look at the past, the history of data. What we want to do is changing the way IT monitors and detects anomalies and issues, going from a reactive, after-the-fact approach to a proactive one. We have built an enterprise network analytics engine called NDP to ingest data from multiple sources, analyzes, enrich it through machine learning, and then feeds it to analytics application through OpenAPI.
Okay, that makes sense, but can you give me a concrete example of this being implemented?
Absolutely fair. So let's say you want to deploy an end-to-end QS policy on your real-time application. There are so many things to consider. Not only the application itself, it's the device you use, how you connect to the network capacity. All these are factors that will contribute to the overall experience. But how do you measure it? And what if something goes wrong? Where do you start troubleshooting? Network assurance can give you visibility on the now, but also what might happen in the future. It's not easy, and it's not fun to fly blind.
No, it was scary, actually.
And that's why we have built NDP that can collect, correlate, and enrich data coming from not only the network devices, but also from other sources like sensors, AAA servers, and location repositories. Then we can feed this data to network assurance that now can connect the dot and measure the end-to-end experience. And even we can suggest some corrective actions.
Corrective actions? What is that?
Well, for example, let's assume you are in one of these beautiful open space office. At some point, people gather in one location for a meeting, and they all have to access the network at the same time. All of a sudden, you have a capacity problem on your wireless network. The NDP gets the data and can alert network assurance and suggest a corrective action. For example, apply an RF profile to the wireless line controller for high-density settings so that you will increase the wireless capacity. And this is going to be manual at the beginning, but it's not hard to imagine that we will give you the possibility to click on a checkbox to instruct the system to do this automatically when it happens again.
Cool.
Exactly.
Can you apply any of this to security?
We can give you encrypted traffic analytics, which means that we can now give you visibility into security threats without compromising privacy, meaning we leverage the power of our flexible ASICs to collect critical metaflow data, and then we feed this information through NetFlow and IPFix. Cisco StealthWatch gets this information and runs behavior analytics to really understand what is normal for your network, so it can detect what is not. And usually that's a sign of an anomaly or a security attack. We don't tell the network what is an attack. The network learns by itself.
That is vision. Wow, so you can say that about a network, but definitely not about me. I need to log a few more hours in that simulator.
Can I come with you?
Of course you can.
All right.
Do you have your own blindfold?
No.
All right, well, I'll get you one.